Hi, I'm Jean. Welcome to Woodland Preserves, where you can own that dream home you've worked so hard for. You clicked on this video for a reason, so you're probably asking yourself, is this the right community? Let's find out. You can choose from a variety of modern and open layouts designed for the way your family lives. Your gourmet kitchen island is an ideal breakfast counter, homework desk, or both. Come and relax in your owner's suite, equipped with a luxury bath and oversized walk-in closet. Stop tripping over the kids' sporting equipment. Your attached two-car garage keeps everything organized and out of your way. Choose a home site up to a ½ acre. Your backyard can overlook conservation-protected area and is perfect for a zen moment or backyard barbecues. Get ready to enjoy all the surrounding parks. Cuyahoga Valley National Park, Cyberling Nature Realm, and Sand Run Metro Parks are right around the corner. Enjoy nights out at your favorite Cuyahoga Falls, Montrose, or Akron hotspots since they're so close. And don't forget to stop by the Rail Burger Bar, which is right up the street. Your daily commute should be a breeze. I-77 is just moments from your door. So, are you ready to take the next step? Click on the orange Contact Us button on our website. I can't wait to meet you in person. See you soon.